Hi everyone! Some of you guys really miss your favorite takeout and request me to make egg foo yan. That's what I'm going to make today in Chinese, 芙蓉蛋. Let me show you the ingredients. This to me kind of like an omelet in Chinese style. And I have 2 eggs. And I also measure all the ingredients for you guys, so it will be easier for you. Have 1/4 of a cup carrots, diced carrots, a 1/4 cup of diced bella mushrooms. You can use other mushrooms. You can also use other vegetables you have, like bean sprouts, cabbage, and a 1/4 cup of diced white onions. You can also use red onions and green onions. This is my frozen green onions. We'll leave some for garnish later. So that's our vegetables and 2 eggs. So we beat this together. And for my eggs, I always season with a little bit salt. We're gonna make sauce to serve this. Just a little bit salt, a little bit white pepper powder, and garlic powder to your own liking. So mix together. And also we need some slurry. This is a 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with a 1/4 cup water. And we're ready to cook. I'm heating up my flat pan to high. We add some vegetable oil. When it's hot, now we add our egg mixture. So I'm gonna make 3 patties. Mix it even. Good. So this is 1. Three patties. You don't have to be perfect. So we let it fry about a minute and flip. It's about a minute. We flip it. And we'll fry about another minute. So it's about another minute. You can flip again. Wow, smells good. Beautiful. So we'll let it cook about another minute. So after another minute, our eggs are ready. Next, we're going to make the sauce. To make the sauce, we add water. Let it boil. Now our water is boiling, we add a tablespoon light soy sauce, tablespoon oyster sauce. Come on. oyster sauce. And optional, just pinch of sugar, so we balance the saltiness. And last, we thicken the sauce with the slurry. And this is our sauce. Let's pour the sauce over our eggs. And I will garnish with some green onions. Our egg foo young is ready. Let me try egg foo young for you guys. Look at all the vegetables. You can eat it as breakfast, just like your omelet, or you can serve with rice, as I'm doing. Here we go. So delicious. I love the crunchiness of the vegetables and the sweetness of carrots, onions. Mushrooms are also shining. It's a great combination. Very nutritious dish. Now you can make at home. Make your takeout at home. Please try to make it. I will list all the ingredients in the description box. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.